Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and in this video it's going to be super quick. I'm going to be showing you how to link your custom domain to your Figma site. I almost wanted to say Framer site there, but no, this is for Figma Sites. So if you have built your site since Figma Sites has been launched and you are now ready to link it to your custom domain, I'm going to show you how scarily similar this is to putting a custom domain with your Framer site. So I'm in Figma Sites here. I've just pulled a template, so we have 3 web pages, and I've already published the site to the base domain, which Figma gives you. It's just a stream of 3 random words. So my site is live there, but I want to connect to a custom domain. So I have connected domains. It says connected domain from a third-party provider. There will be instructions if you hit learn more, but I'm going to show you how to do it in literally 2 minutes. So hit connect to domain and type in your URL. And I've typed in my URL, I'm going to hit save. And then it will give you 2 DNS records to put into your DNS settings. So it's important to note that if you've bought a domain from a domain registrar like 123reg, like GoDaddy, or wherever you've purchased your domain, you don't need to buy hosting. Figma deals with the hosting for you, just like Framer does. And all you need to do is go into your DNS settings, which I'll show you now, and copy these records over. So we've got 2 records, a CNAME record and a text record. So we're going to copy the CNAME record first. Jump into my DNS settings. This is 123reg. It might look different for you. And I don't have any CNAME records, so I'm going to add a new record. Select CNAME. www, that is because Figma said www here, and then paste this and save, and that will add the record. And then the next record I need to add is the text record, so that has a host name and a value, which I need to copy each one. So we'll jump back, we'll add a text record with the name and with the value. And then we will hit save. And then it might take some time. It says it can take up to 24 to 48 hours. So you can do that, but you can always come here and hit refresh to see if the domain has been verified. So I can see now my CNAME has been verified. I just added the text record, so it might take a while. Okay, so we gave it a bit of time and we can see now that it is connected. So that means that all the records have been recognized. And so if I jump into the domain, I can see that the template is now populating on the site perfectly. And that's it. That's how you link your custom domain to your Figma site. And if you want to delete the domain, you simply hit these 3 dots and click remove connected domain, and that will remove it here. It will still be accessible on your base domain. That's everything you need to know about linking custom domains to your Figma site. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more Framer, Figma, Webflow, and Ghost tutorials. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!